Hello, my name is Kruno and I welcome you to the Houston showroom. For today's event, we invited experts from the oil and gas industry together with Rittal and Siemens in order to showcase efficiency and time saving in manufacturing to increase safety, lower the costs and increase quality. One of the topics of today's event are the chances and challenges of digitalization. We at EPLAN support our customer with a software called EPLAN Pro Panel, with which you can create a digital twin of your enclosure. Let me walk you through. With the digital twin out of EPLAN Pro Panel, you can create point-to-point connection list which can be exported to Rittal cutting or stripping machines. Or the data can be sent to EPLAN Smart Wiring, which is this software here. With EPLAN Smart Wiring, you have tablet-based software which supports your installation process in the manufacturing. It shows you point-to-point wire connection list with all the information which is necessary to install the wire. You can jump to the source of the wire, install it, jump to the end of the wire, install the wire, and this is how you're progressing through the wire installation process.
My name is Rittal. I work for Rittal here at the Panel Building Days, a joint event with Rittal, Siemens, and EPLAN, where we're highlighting some product offerings and solutions and to try to help our customers build panels more efficiently. One major takeaway from this event was the opportunity to talk to our customers in a collaborative environment and joint with EPLAN, Rittal, and Siemens and show them how they can become more efficient with our solutions.
My name is Mike Burke. I'm a business development consultant for Siemens Industrial Controls and Circuit Protection. We're here today at our Panel Building Days event with Siemens, EPLAN, and Rittal, talking about all things industrial control panels. From a Siemens perspective, we're here to support our customers, whether you're a panel builder, a machine builder, a system integrator, or even an end user, in designing and engineering your control panels more efficiently. So we're here to educate you about control panel standards and design, but also how our tools and data and our products integrate into the greater value chain that EPLAN and Rittal provide to their customers.
Thank you for visiting us at the Panel Building Days in Houston. For more information and future events, go to eplanusa.com. See you!